Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and bypass all kinds of screen lock methods. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy S9 with pattern protection, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset and bypass all screen lock methods. Press the power key and choose Restart. When you tap Restart again, hold power key, volume up, and Bixby key together. Keep holding these three keys and release them as soon as the Samsung Galaxy S9 logo appears. This is Android recovery mode. Navigate using volume keys and confirm with the power key. Scroll down to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power key to choose it. Scroll down again to select Yes and confirm with the power key. The device is wiping data, erasing all personal data, customized settings, and installed apps. When recovery mode appears again, press power key to reboot system now. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is restarting and rebooting. Be patient and do not interrupt the process. Excellent. The hard reset is done and the welcome panel appears. There is no pattern, PIN, password, fingerprint, or any other screen lock. You can now activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up under the video.